So we have another example here. This one is kind of like a repair job. So we could use a cladding operator here, but actually we use a horizontal slice just creatively. So for example, we can use cladding, select surfaces to print material onto them. In this case, in this centrifuge type geometry, we need to add extra material on this inner wall. So we can use mouse selection to select the surfaces that we need. And then we get a slice out of this. So we get this nice set of layers that we're going to use. And then I can manually set my tool rotations in this case. So the first one I'm doing is a revolve, like I did before. So if I turn on my tool rotations, we can see that our X axis is kind of following the travel.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to rotate the X 60 degrees. I'll rotate around X 60 degrees. So now this blue, which is the Z, which is in the tool, our tool is going to be slightly inclined now. And then finally, I'm also rotating the rest 90 degrees.
Yeah.
I can also add a second or as many additional walls as I need, which is what I've done here. So we're adding 2 walls of material to our centrifuge. And we can see what the effect of those tool rotations has been. So the bed will rotate, tool is kept vertical, 60-degree deposit cleanly without colliding with the robot or the part, and we've applied our first wall, and then we can move in and apply our second wall of material.